Yo, my man, stop wasting your hard-earned cash. If you are still dropping thousands of dollars on Hera AI, Higgsfield Vibe Motion, or Claude Code, you are living in the past. Today, we are taking RemoQwen MCP to version 8.0. We're talking about creating $1,000 motion graphics for exactly $0. But listen, this is a high-level workflow. Before we move an inch, if you are a beginner and haven't installed RemoQwen MCP or Remotion yet, stop this video right now. You need a solid foundation before you build the skyscraper. I've linked my full setup tutorial in the description. Go watch that first, get your system ready, and then come back here when you are ready for the big leagues. Back? Good. Now hit that star button on the GitHub repository. It's a massive way to support the geniuses building this bulletproof tech for us. Let's cook. Pop open your terminal and run python run.py. Look at that, the updated dashboard loaded successfully. Now it's going to ask if you want to continue with the CLI or use Telegram remote control. We're going pro today, so hit Y for yes. Time to get your bot token. It's light work. Find @botfather on Telegram, hit /start, and use the command /newbot. Give it a name, then give it a username ending in _bot. Boom, there's your token. Paste it in. Now we need your chat ID. Find the ID bot on Telegram, hit /getID, copy that ID, and paste it back into the terminal. Just like that, your phone is now the remote control for your AI studio. We're about to set up the 24-hour autonomous brain. But first, if this update is a game changer for you, drop an FLA in the comments right now. That's Free Learning Academy, representing. And if you want all the links, the BotFather links, the ID bot, and the full guidelines, they're all waiting for you in the Patreon community post. It's free to join, so get in there and stay updated. Now for the most important part, the Qwen folder setup. This is how your agent stays alive 24/7. Go to your Qwen Desktop app, create a new folder, and this is key, set the memory to project only. Head back to the GitHub repo, copy the integration instructions, and paste them into the instruction box. This gives the AI the logic it needs to stay connected without a link. Create the folder, and you're officially in the future. Let's see the magic in action. Type /help in your Telegram bot to see the full menu. Want to give the AI a prompt? Just type it and send it like a normal text. It instantly updates the remote task.md file in your video folder. Now tell the Qwen app, I have a task from MCP, please do it. Boom, your automated remote system is online. Need to add an image to your project? Just send it to the bot with the caption logo.png. It saves it straight to the public folder. To see what you've got, use the /assets command. You can pick between the public or out folders to see your files. Want a preview? Type /show_pub and the file name. Easy. When you're ready to finalize, just hit /render and your video renders directly to the out folder. Gave a bad prompt? Don't sweat it. Just reply to the message with /delete_msg and it's wiped from the AI's memory. And at any time, just hit /status to see exactly what's ongoing. I think I covered everything you need to dominate with version 8.0. No more paid subs, just pure autonomous power. Hit that subscribe button for more interesting AI hacks, and seriously, give the developers a star on GitHub. They're building the future for us. Thanks for watching, fam. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.